Hey, Dave here, aka Geezer Geek, as you see up there. Thanks for looking at my video. Just a quick channel update this time to let you know what's going on. I've been doing a few things, both here in the main computer lab and YouTube recording space, and in my main office. Here in the lab, I decided that the butcher blocks needed re-oiling, and so cleared about 20 feet of top and got to work on that. Here's a bit of the countertop. It is cheap butcher block from one of those discount wood flooring companies. You might know the one I mean, but it's good enough for this workspace, and especially after I made some surface repairs. But that all is a topic for a different channel, not one about computers and technology. And then I decided I'd like to have a more consistent workspace instead of my 3-foot anti-static mat and several mouse mats. So I ordered a 10-foot long anti-static mat, put it down over my newly oiled top. Well, both were needed, even if timing's not so great. And I went with a basic mat, not one of those fancy ones with all the modder and builder information on them. Got more than twice as much work surface for the same money that way. Then organizing, reworking my lighting for recording. I think I like what I have now better, even if it is just the prototypes at the moment. And all of my visible cable management is much better. And then I've been learning more about OBS and figuring out how to overcome audio sync issues. I'll probably be doing a video on that fairly soon. Besides this, I've done a physical mod on a webcam, and it's for that 501c3 that I've mentioned several times. I needed to get a better distance focus, and so it's had its first run this week, and I'll be checking and editing that video a little bit later this week. I'll let you know, probably with the next video, both what I did and how well it worked. And since I was working in the shop area, I decided to do some work in the main office as well, and, well, been busy, not doing videos. I'm still here, and I do have several videos in the pipeline, and you'll be seeing them soon, I promise. Again, thank you for checking in. I appreciate the interest. Hope you're doing well during this pandemic. Stay safe and healthy, and you will see me again soon.